Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are starting this vlog a little late. Why and I are just chilling. Can you say hi? Oh, we are just chilling on a Sunday. We gotta go to the store and get some fresh vegetables.
Hey, you do blueberries and blackberries and raspberries.
Yes. Because like the quarantine last week and my mom was here and all the things. I didn't order from the farm market this week because we didn't have enough money. We're gonna go get some fresh stuff. We're just waiting on Delilah to wake up and then we're gonna go for a car ride. Are you excited?
I'm going out the park.
Maybe. We might go. It's a little chilly. So we've been just hanging out in the basement and getting some stuff done for the shop. I know I said I wouldn't do it this way, but I just want to get this stuff listed. I don't want to model it myself. My husband is my photographer generally. He went to school for photography, so I trust his eye. But I want to get them photographed, so I might just set up a little studio down here against the wood grain. That'll be nice, right? Against the wood grain, and then I will start taking photos and linking them and and doing all the things. So we're gonna get all that done today. We have laundry, cooking, all the things, but we're gonna get it all done. So come along with us. Are you ready?
Yeah, I want to say hi.
Okay, you can say hi.
I say bye.
You can say bye.
Bye.
Do you want to tell them anything? Do you want to tell them a story? What can you tell them?
I was watching Mommy and Banana and water.
Yeah, what are you doing exactly on your stool bench there? You just hanging out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm taking a break.
You're taking a break. Okay, I like that. All right, we'll see you soon. We're gonna go to the store and get some nice fresh fruit. You can barely tell because this is carpet, but these tiny little things, my hands aren't dirty, they just have ink on them. These tiny little things someone got into saying that he was playing with shinies. I thought he was just playing with my necklaces, but silly me to have left the room for 20 seconds to put on some chapstick. This is Wilder, y'all. They are not harmful to him. They would never eat them or anything, but oh my gosh. Perhaps I'll do a self-care Saturday instead. That's what we're gonna do instead. Yes, it was a brand new container if you're asking yourself that. And yes, there are 2,400 in here. Not funny. This week I'm just like including different things for dinner just so I can cover some bases of questions that I got, like the kale chips, the homemade Alfredo, and the green juice. So I'm going to include that in here. I know sometimes the titles are misleading and you don't know what's in it, but I promise you in the videos I try and include all the recipes I can. But I'm going to have some avocado toast with tomato on whole grain, and then I'm going to do some curry kale chips. I'm just going to snack on this first and then the kale chips. And then everybody else here is Meat Alert is having BLTs with avocado. So that's going there, and then I'm going to do eggs for them. I always get it, like, all the time, like, this is so crunchy, like, and so healthy, like, how could you ever, like, is this what you truly eat? And yes, it is what I truly eat. I really enjoy vegetables and fruits and things like this, so I'm constantly snacking throughout the day. Some people have commented, like, that's not enough food to, like, keep a body going. I think we're all different in what works for us. So just because I show you this does not mean that's all I've eaten. I'm constantly snacking on just about anything you could think of, but I try and do healthy snacking. So avocado toast with tomato, and then the curry kale chips. Everyone else is having BLTs and eggs, and they're gonna have kale chips too. My family really enjoys those. So I'm gonna get that popped in the oven here. All I have to do is wash these and destem them, and then I'll toss them in the, I guess, spice thing, that spice seasoning. I don't even know what to call it. Like a marinade, a kale marinade? Sure. Okay, that's what we're calling it. But I'll show you how to put that together.
All things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up I'm not gonna wait. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
And the thunder rolls. Old Garth on
What happened?
the radio. We are headed to Johnstown, Colorado. No, that's not where we live, but it's a close-ish grocery store. We need some fruit and such, and I do not like going to the Walmart by myself. For some reason at Walmart we go to, a lot of crime happens, so I would prefer to take my husband with me. Yes, I'm a strong, capable woman, but I do not want to intentionally put myself in danger, but I guess we do that every day driving. But anywho, we are going to get all this stuff. I wanted to go to the thrift store quick. I know some of you are interested in a thrift haul, and I saw Kim from the Wads do it. My personality is not like Kim's, and I love her personality, so it won't be as fun and as hers, but I think it could be pretty fun, so I'm gonna do that, and we'll take you to the store with us. I already went the wrong way because I'm sitting here talking, so here we go. Let's try it again.
I want to say hi.
Everyone, tonight's what's for dinner is loud and messy, of course, because that's our life right now. But I'm gonna do an open face sandwich. So I just have the Kaiser rolls that I got the other day, and then I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I actually have this recipe on the channel.
But I'm going to work.
Okay, and I will link it down below. It's my version. No, thank you. My version of pimento cheese dip. I'm gonna have to voice over. I'll see you soon. Okay, we are back. So I have some vegan mayo, never mind. I'm gonna try this one more time. The pimento dip has some of the Follow Your Heart smoked Gouda, smoked paprika, a little bit of dill, black pepper, pimentos. It has vegan mayo, and it also has vegan cream cheese. And then I'm gonna put on my burgers, and we're gonna serve it with some crispy sriracha broccoli, and then call it good. I think that will be enough for everybody. We might have some oranges on the side. It's a hodgepodge of things, but we're trying to use up everything that we've made in the last couple of weeks. We have some things in the freezer, so just gonna piece this together here, and I'll show you how it comes out.
I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you. And you save me too.
We didn't have enough sriracha, so I just did salt, pepper, and vegan butter. I know this is pretty plain, but if you struggle with eating vegetables, just put some butter on it and then it will taste better. I don't struggle, but the kids do sometimes. So I'm just adding that all to a plate. We are going to split this here, and I did peel an orange that they've already started on. This sandwich is so good. It is so good. I will leave it linked in the description box, the video where I made it. It's a crock pot dip, and you can check it out, see how I made it.
What we do is what we do.
I finished up the dishes and then I moved on to making an Instagram reel. I always like to share these with you, but they are in this orientation. I made some crab cream cheese wontons. They are vegan, but they were super delicious. I really encourage you to try these. It was a base of artichokes, and I used the nasoya, I believe that's how you say it, the vegan wonton wraps. I did not have any green onion, otherwise I would have used it. Of course, I used my ride or die Kite Hill, but I will leave the link down in the description box. I'm relatively new to the Instagram reels, but if you do use Instagram, go ahead and follow me, and then you can see some of those recipes. I do not have a large following on Instagram. I don't gain anything, but I do a lot of different recipes on there, so I will try and include them as much as I can in these videos, but they will be in this square format. I'm going to enjoy these and end the night here. I really hope you enjoyed these easy vegan meals and our day in a life. I will see you tomorrow for an emergency food stock up. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.
You got me, you got me, got me. You got me too. Got me. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.